What's up YouTube, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and spins for Coin Master games. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called zaptwig.com. Then you will find the online tool Coin Master. Click there, just click install now and just wait for installing. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, so I test this many times and this is a working online method. So let's wait a little bit. Okay guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait a little bit. Nice guys, verification complete. Next step, check your home screen. So let me see, and guys, as you can see, I have this icon. So I downloaded Travel Town and TikTok, and I got this Coin Master plus. So just open this and you will get your coins and spins. See you in the next video. Bye.